Hello everyone. So here today we are going to explain that why do we classify living things. Okay, so everyone, students, have you ever wondered that why scientists they classify the organisms? Okay, so in this video we'll try to understand that why classification is needed and what are the basic 7 reasons. Okay, why does the classification matter? Let's, without wasting the time, let's start the video. So first of all, as I already told you, we are going to understand why the organisms are classified. Okay, so the organism, they are classified first of all to organize the biodiversity. Okay, there are millions of species on earth, and classification, it helps then in grouping them, okay, based on their similarity. That will make it easier to study and understand them. Okay, the second reason is for the easy identification. So if the organism, they are grouped in a organized manner, then it allows scientists and students to identify the organism quickly and accurately, okay, leaving less chance or no chance of error. Okay, so the organization of or the classification of organism is must. Third is to understand the evolutionary relationship. Okay, so if we classify, okay, the organism, then how the species they are related to the common ancestor, we can know this. For example, the human and the chimpanzees, they share a genus level connection showing the evolutionary closeness, and this we know after the classification only. Okay, the fourth one is to avoid the confusion in naming. Okay, so the scientific name, okay, the binomial nomenclature, it prevents the regional name mix up. For example, the panther, it can mean anything, okay, in different language, but Panthera pardus, the binomial name, always refer to the leopard. Okay, so you understand. The fifth reason is to aid the scientific research. Okay, so if there is a proper classification or organization, so it will help the researcher to predict the traits, behavior, and the disease patterns in the related organism. So the classification helps in the scientific research also. Okay, the sixth reason is for the conservation effort. So if we systematically organize and classify the organism, then we will group the species, okay, and this will help in identifying the endangered ones, and we can just prioritize their protection. Okay, so this will lead to their conservation also. And last but not the least, the seventh point is to apply the knowledge across the various field. Okay, so if we have a systemized classification system, then we can apply those knowledge in agriculture, medicine, biotechnology, okay, and it can help in pest control, drug development, and the genetic studies also. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Before closing the video, let's just have a fun fact. Do you know that human and chimpanzees, they share 98% of their DNAs? Okay, so that's why classification isn't just about naming, it's about understanding our place in the tree of life also. So classification is much needed. Okay, so drop your favorite example of classification below and let's explore the wonder of biology together. And please, if you like the video, just comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more